Hello everyone, welcome to Talk World. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. Today I made a beef meatball spaghetti. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the beef meatball spaghetti. So what I did is that last week I made it beef meatball stir fry. I used six of them here, and then I used one bowl of size of spaghetti noodle and three olive oils and a half spoon of minced garlic, and then I stir fry together, and then later on I added 3 spoons of spaghetti sauce. That's how you make this meatball, beef meatball spaghetti. See the beef meatball stir fry. You can make many different dishes. So I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna upload it how to make it as well. So this is how you. Let's taste it. How this is good. Mm. Really good. Mm. Meat is very soft with those spaghetti noodle. Perfect. This is a good meal for lunch, even dinner, breakfast. Simple beef meat and spaghetti noodle. Mm. Doesn't taste like garlic. Mm. Mm. Good thing I fried garlic and this all together. It's together with the mm. Good meal, good meal. So good, so good. The olive oil is kind of blending together with the noodle, meatball, garlic. You guys try out. This is really good. Thanks so much. It's Talk World. See you soon.